Having trouble removing a Bluetooth device in Windows 10 or 11? I'll guide you through how to forcefully remove it from your system. Press Windows key plus I key together to open Settings panel of Windows 11. Now click on Bluetooth and Devices from the left menu. Click on 3 vertical dots located adjacently to your Bluetooth device and click on Remove Device. Press Windows key plus R key together to open Run. Write Regedit in it and click OK. Now, when the Registry editor opens up, make sure to take a backup of Registry. Now, go to the following path in the Registry editor. H key local, machine O, system O current control set services. Do BTH port in, parameters O devices. Double-click on name to open it and identify which folder represents your Bluetooth device you want to remove. Now, right-click on that folder, which is associated with the Bluetooth device you want to remove, and click Delete. Now, restart your computer. Press Windows key plus X together. Click on Device Manager. Once Device Manager opens up, click on View tab and select Show Hidden Devices. Now, expand Bluetooth from the list, right-click on Bluetooth device you want to uninstall, and click on Uninstall. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.